What's up, guys? Today is Hurricane Fiona. We're in the Ventura Mobile and we're gonna go vlog it. You guys see the waves hitting the shorelines? Oh, there was water all the way here. But there's leaves everywhere on the road here. Oh, look at that tree. Oh my goodness, is it ever windy? Now look at this broken tree, guys. Guys, look at all the damage. Oh my god, that's pretty bad. But I can't even drive around these parts. Holy. Oh my god, more trees that are down. So much damage. What's going on, my friend?
Oh, not too much. It's a little bit worse on the front there. Got big rocks and wooden spikes coming out on top of it.
So maybe
we got it clean.
okay. I'll come back after. I'm making videos for the internet. Okay, thank you. On roads like this for like 10 minutes, guys. It's horrible. Alright guys, so we did make it to a wharf, van life. So while we're here, guys, if there's any things like this, we're gonna go vlog it out. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. This is somebody's home, man. Look at the other houses here, they're all good. But this one home here did not make it, guys. Well, anyways, the porch didn't. But there's the porch. And there's the other porch. Thank you for cleaning up the road, sir. Big rocks.